Your cough will go away immediately if you try this remedy. First, we need to mix Coca-Cola with an onion. Once you try this, you'll never want to use another remedy again. This video is for everyone between 20 and 70 years old. Let's start by cutting a red onion into pieces. Onions have something called potassium, which helps our muscles and nerves work well. Now, get a saucepan. Put the onion pieces in it, and then pour in some Coca-Cola. Put the saucepan on the stove and let it boil for 5 minutes. Some people say Coca-Cola can help with memory and heart health. After 5 minutes, we will strain the mixture to get our special drink. Even though a cough isn't usually dangerous, it can sometimes be a sign of something more serious. With this remedy, we promise that you'll feel better in just 2 days. Now, our special drink is ready. You can take this every night before you go to sleep. It will help you fight the flu quickly and make you feel much better.